Hi, what's up guys? This is JR here. Thank you for coming to my YouTube channel. Today I'm very excited to review a car accessory, which is actually a trash can. And before my review, I want to really thank Tchipie for sending me this review unit. And without overdue, let's get started. Alright, this is the box of the car trash can. On this side, we can see the dimension, the weight label, the material used. And on the back, we can see the usage. It can hold 1.24 gallon of wet or dry garbage. There's a lid to keep waste in place, 3 extra pockets, leak-proof, reflective stripe, and the Velcro strips. Make it easy to install. So as you can see, this is the car trash can, how it looks like. For me personally, it looks definitely better than a regular trash can you can imagine, because for the shape it's more like a lunchbox. And the material is, the fabric is pretty comfortable, and there are reflective stripe here, so at night you can just use it as well. And here, imagine you have some garbage, you can easily throw this in. And if you want to open this is how it looks like inside. So it's waterproof. So imagine you have some foods for the kids, they can just throw this in. It will not mess up your car. And on the side, there are some pockets for drinks. And there's a Velcro here, so you can put it on the back of your car seat. So now I'm going to move this to my car and actually attach this to my car and show you how it looks like. So here in my car, I have attached the car trash can at the back of the passenger seat. As you can see, this because the Velcro, I have attached those behind those 2 metal rods, and here I can open it through some garbage by this or by this method. And also I want to mention there's a lining inside, so imagine there are garbage, then you just remove it by this one hand, take this out and clean or throw the garbage away. And the one thing I hope this product can improve a little bit is the way that my metal rods are not too wide. So if the area of this Velcro can increase a bit, it will definitely make this more sturdy.